So part D, we can see that we're taking one function divided by another function. So that's going to be a quotient rule. So the template for the quotient rule is going to be the bottom function times the derivative of the top function minus, be careful, right? Subtraction, not addition, minus the top function times the derivative of the bottom function all over the bottom function squared. Right, so I would just kind of get in the habit of muscle memorying this thing, right? Kind of noticing what things are always the same. So for example, we're going to have a bottom function 4e to the x plus 3x in these three different places, right? There on the outsides, just like in the product rule, but it's also in the bottom, right? So I always kind of noticed that this leftmost and this bottom one were the same thing to kind of orient myself to know that I was doing it right. Right, then we got a tangent here and tan. And then now it just comes down to knowing derivatives. All right, so in the numerator, derivative of tangent is going to be secant squared. So I'm going to get a 4e to the x plus 3x times the secant squared of x minus the tangent of x times derivative of 4e to the x, right? We can do this derivative piece by piece. Derivative of 4e to the x is 4e to the x. Derivative of 3x is 3. So we got a 4e to the x plus 3, just in case, right? We're multiplying all of those things. And then our denominator is going to be 4e to the x plus 3x, that whole quantity squared. So notice that we cannot, once again, we cannot cancel those two things out. That is all sorts of illegal math. Don't do that. So this is as simplified as I think it makes sense to do. So that's going to be our derivative.